Most people love a great vehicle. We collect vehicles, we put vehicles in shows, we even make alternative vehicles in various transportation devices because, let's face it, vehicles are so awesome that limiting ourselves to four-door variety just seems sad. So, if you're thinking about buying a new mode of transportation, don't just go with a Toyota, especially when you can instead get an odd or futuristic vehicle. It doesn't matter if you want to buy something safe or have children to tote around or need something practical because you only live once. We're joking, of course, but hey, if you have the money to spend or seem to like to dream big, we've rounded up some pretty cool futuristic vehicles for you. Coming in at number 1, the Yamaha Tri-Town. Electric scooters are booming and piling up on sidewalks causing accidents. Yamaha's Tri-Town scooter is an innovative take on electric scooter that aims to fix the usual electric scooter's flaws. Designed as a last-mile mobility solution and using Yamaha's leaning multi-wheel mechanisms, the Tri-Town has a dual front wheel and is controlled by rider's balance. It stands upright at a stop and never requires the rider to step off the scooter until they've reached their destination. A 380-watt battery powers a 500-watt motor mounted to the rear hub that gets to a top speed of around 15 miles per hour. The Tri-Town weighs in at 88 pounds and is just over 3 feet long, making it light and compact while having substantial structure and lighting. Coming in at number 2, Biohybrid. The Biohybrid stands for a new form of locomotion and closes the mobility gap between bicycle and car. Available in 2 versions, cargo and passenger. With its 4 wheels, the concept offers good driving stability. The roof and windscreen make it weatherproof, making it suitable for all seasons. It is slightly wider than normal bicycle and should only be allowed to ride emission-free on cycle paths. The Biohybrid manages with 1/3 of the parking space of a small car and is free of a driver's license registrations in most countries. Like a pedelec, the electric drive supports the moving person up to a speed of 25 km per hour at 250 to 75 watts rated power, depending on the national legal requirements. In the passenger version, 2 people can be seated one behind the other. The cargo variant serves as a variable solution for emissions-free transports of goods. This modular design allows the Biohybrid to be used for many purposes, such as a refrigerated vehicle, coffee shop, or closed storage space. In terms of load volume and payload, cargo for urban transport is intended to be alternative in the future mobility mix. Coming in at number 3, Toyota iRoad. It isn't a car, it isn't a motorbike, and it certainly isn't Superman. But in this 3-wheeled, 2-seater vehicle, driver and passenger sit tandem. It is being coined as an electric-powered personal mobility vehicle, and it reimagines how city dwellers could get around the urban environments. With a 37-mile range, it is perfect runaround, able to squeeze into tiny parking spots and weave through traffic, while reducing congestion and carbon emissions. One of the coolest things about the iRoad is what Toyota calls active lean suspension. When you turn the steering wheel, the iRoad leans like a motorcycle or like a ski. The iRoad has built-in safety software that controls how deep it learns, based on your speed. If you're going too fast around a bend, the steering wheel vibrates to warn you to slow down, to avoid tipping over. When you hit the brakes, the iRoad goes upright. The 600-pound, 272-kilogram iRoad is an electric vehicle that you can plug in to power up. It takes roughly 3 hours to charge and you can go about 30 miles per hour with a top speed of 37. Coming in at number 4, the Bi-Car. The Bi-Car is an innovative 3-wheeled electric scooter. The scooter has solar panels on both the roof and the front. It is the first vehicle in the world that can drive continuously with using only solar power. The scooter has a 2,000 watt in-wheel electric motor from GEM Motors. The scooter has a limited speed limit of 45 kilometers per hour. The scooter also has easily swappable lithium batteries that makes it possible to operate the scooter 24/7 by using multiple batteries. The scooter is designed for sharing and software provides easy-to-use fleet management solutions. The driver can access the dashboard of the scooter via a mobile app on their phone, and the scooter is easy to use for less experienced drivers. The 3 wheels provides extra stability and braking power for increased safety. Number 5. SCUSA. The SCUSA K1S Fat Tire electric scooter is a beautifully designed, powerful, and fast cruising style electric scooter that rides like a Cadillac and cars like a Ferrari. The scooter has a powerful 1200 watt motor with the ability to temporarily boost into 1500 watts. It runs on a 48 volt system and has a massive 20 amp battery for estimated max range of 40 miles. Constructed with aluminum alloy, it has a curb weight of around 95 pounds. Coming in at number 6, Flyboard Air. The Flyboard Air is a type of jetpack/hoverboard powered by gas turbines. It was invented by a French watercraft rider, Frankie Zapata, founder of Zapata Racing. It achieved a Guinness World Record for the farthest flight by hoverboard in April 2016 by achieving over 2,000 meters. Zapata Racing claims that it allows flight up to an altitude of 3,000 meters and has a top speed of 150 kilometers per hour. It also has 10 minutes of endurance. The load capacity is 102 kilograms, and the jet-powered hoverboard is powered by 5 turbines and fueled by kerosene. Number 7. Segway S-Pod. Segway has revealed its latest self-balancing vehicle, the S-Pod, an egg-shaped, rideable chair inspired by the geosphere in Jurassic World. The company describes its latest invention as a game-changing personal transporter, intended primarily for enclosed campuses such as airports and theme parks. Like the original Segway vehicle for upright riding, the S-Pod is self-balancing and has a center of gravity control system that adjusts the speed based on how much it's tilting forward. Unlike that vehicle, the S-Pod doesn't require a rider to lean their body to accelerate. Number 8. Blizzwheel. Blizzwheel is the world's first portable electric vehicle. It is fun, fast, foldable, and futuristic. It's the best way to effortlessly travel short to medium distances. Things like electric skateboards and folding electric scooters may be good forms of last-mile transit, but they can be a bit of a hassle to carry while on buses or trains. That is why a group of San Francisco and China-based entrepreneurs created the Blizzwheel e-skates. These e-skates consist of a motorized wheel with a solid rubber tread, which a foot platform folds down from the inside of. That platform has 3 smaller, unpowered stability wheels of its own. Users strap their feet in, wearing pretty much any type of shoe, then go. The best feature of the Blizzwheel, however, is the ultra portability. The frame can be folded downwards into the wheel and you can pack it into a small bag. Another highlight of the device is the addition of LED lights. This makes traveling at night much safer and cooler. There are actually 3 models to choose from, which have different battery capacities and motor sizes. The top of the line, Blizzwheel Pro, can go up to 15 miles per hour and has a maximum range of 15 miles per charge. It weighs in at 13 pounds a pair. Depending on the model, speed is wirelessly controlled via either a Bluetooth handheld remote or finger control. That's right, you can control it with your finger. By bending your finger, it can cause the rider to accelerate, and straightening it causes it to slow down. The BlizzWheel can also come with a bracelet-style dashboard. This dashboard can display data such as current speed, mileage, and remaining battery life.